Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove or update your address on Credit Karma. This is useful if you've moved or need to make sure your personal information is accurate. First, log into your Credit Karma account using the app or by visiting the website. Once you're logged in, go to the home page. Next, click on the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the Settings option. Inside the Settings section, look for and tap on Personal Information. This is where Credit Karma stores details like your address and other profile information. When you open Personal Information, you'll see your current address listed. From here, you can remove your outdated address and replace it with your new, correct address information. After entering the updated address, make sure to save your changes so the new information is applied to your account. And that's how you remove or update your address on Credit Karma. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.